Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. 40% of mining in Goa is illegal. Marvin says shut illegal mines, please. Congress MLA Narvekar takes on government in assembly, says government is not doing anything for betterment of Goans. CM promises 50% job reservation for pre-employment trainees, says government will allow them job relaxation. Speaker asked Forest Minister to submit report about action taken on illegal mines. Neri to present report on next Monday. Government congratulates Santosh Trophy winner Goan football team. Joki demands grant of 50,000 rupees each for football club with GFA. And it's Dua in place of Dawa in GMC. Goa's premier medical institute hosts puja and mass with loudspeaker. Where is the peace for patients?
And when there is illegal...
Now the news in detail. Deputy Speaker Mavin Gudino revealed that as per his reports, around 40% of mining in state is illegal. Gudino has asked for a stern action against such ecology-destroying illegal mines. Opposition MLA Dayanand Mandrekar alleged Goa police of taking haftas even in small matter like plaster of Paris Ganesh idols trade. Pangian MLA Ramesh Tavadkar pointed out that tribal welfare fund is not at all used.
Mining, you know they will not follow any norms. Environmental disaster is bound to be there. There will be no environmental clearance. There will be no statutory clearances they will be taking. They will be taking out the ore from the earth in a very unscientific manner. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, how many people you have booked? How many people you have stopped? How many places you have stopped mining? And what is the action that is contemplated in the short term, in the long term, to stop illegal mining? I am not against legal mining. There is Speaker sir, the reports that I have, more than 40% illegal mining is going on. And as against the quantum of ore that is being removed, it is huge money. Where is this money going? Who is making money? What is happening if so much of illegal mining is taking place? I want concrete action to save the ecology of Goa, to save Goa from an ecological disaster.
एक दोन डेलिगेशन्स माझ्याशी पैर आणि काल येले. काल एक डेलिगेशन येले आणि डेलिगेशन एके संस्थेचे असले. तर म्हणाले सरकारान प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसाचेर बॅन हाडला आणि प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसाचेर बॅन हाडल्यानंतर एक ट्रक पेडण्या धरलो गेलो जाल्यार वो ट्रक जे धरलो तेतून जे असणारे डॉल्स मूर्ती आणि हेजे हे खंय गेले आणि तो कोणी हाडलेलो हेचेर योग्य ती कारवाई जाली काय कितें. हांवें सांगलें तुमी जर अशें करता जाल्यार तुमी वचून पुलिशेन कंप्लेन करा म्हणून. म्हाका तेंच्यांनी उत्तर दिलें तेच सुंदर आसलें. बाकी हें सगळें फकाणां कशें दिसलें. त्या संस्थेन म्हाका सरळ सांगलें पुलिशेन जर वचून जर आमी तेजेर कंप्लेन करीत जे इलिगल हे प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसचे गणपती विकता ते सोमते डायरेक्ट तेका वचून हप्तो बसयतले म्हणून आणि आपलो हप्तो थारयतले म्हणून. इलिगल स्टॉप जावचे ना. पुलीस तेका हप्तो बसयता आनी विकतू म्हणटले.
दर वर्साक गोंयच्या बजेटांतले सादारणशे 12% बजेट आसा ते ट्रायबल कम्युनिटीचो, ट्रायबल ज्या भागामध्ये लोक रावतात तांचो विकास करपा खातीर हे पयशे दवरले वता. 700 कोटी रुपया प्रामुख्यान ह्या कम्युनिटीचो विकास करपा खातीर गेल्या सादारणशे 5-6 वर्सांत बजेटरी प्रोविजन करून दवरलें. आनी आज स्पीकर सर आमकां लक्षांत येता की ज्या गांवांनी ज्या भागांनी ट्रायबल कम्युनिटीचे लोक मोठ्या संख्येन आसा त्या भागांक जर आमी गेले जर जायत आणि त्या भागांतल्या एखादो प्रतिनिधी आसा, एखादो सरपंच आसात, एखादो पंच आसात, तांकां जर आमी जर प्रश्न विचारले जाल्यार ह्या वर्साक किंवा फाटल्या 6 वर्सांक तुमच्या भागांक ह्या ट्रायबल सप्लॅनाचे अंडर कितले पयशे पावले अशें जेन्ना उत्तर आमी जेन्ना विचारतले त्या गांवांतलो सर्वसामान्य मनीस सुद्दां किंवा तो एखादो लोकप्रतिनिधी पंच सरपंच सुद्दां तो म्हणटलो गेल्या 6 वर्सांक आमच्या कडेन 1 लाखय पावलो ना, 2 लाखय पावलो ना, अशा प्रकारचे कांय गांव आसतले. त्यामुळे हे कित्याक जाता?
Former Finance Minister of Goa and Congress MLA Dayanand Narvekar on the floor of House criticized government for not working towards the benefits of Goan. Narvekar also advised MLAs not to take parliamentary secretary's post. He also demanded closure of casinos in the state. He suggested government to curtail expenditure on advertisement. Narvekar also criticized government for promoting and protecting illegal minings in Goa.
I was also surprised recently that the river Madai, river Kushavati, especially in Sangay, where there has been a lot of activities in mine, the entire Sangay Taluka is going to be wiped out. The advertisement being released now and then to number of occasion, number of people, and what does it cost to Goa? Advertisement in tourism has gone now more than 14 crores. I have a list of advertisement which was issued by Information Directorate, and it makes a very funny reading. Shigmo Festival advertisement were worth 22 lakhs. It is half of the budget or the budget of the Shigmo Festival. Advertisement. Divya Bhaskar 2 lakh 56. Economic Time. Satrotsav and Gulalotsav advertisement were 2,56,000 rupees. It never cost that much money to have that Gulalotsav and Satrotsav there. Where is this money coming from? Why are we wasting so much money? Crores of rupees. It is better to stop those casino who is giving you 15-20 crore rupees, save this money and save this money from tourism. Add this money, 14 and 9, 10. कितले झाले पैसे? 24 कोटी झाले. काजिनो कितले दिता? बंद करा मरते. When government has so much money to spend, why you require casinos there where everybody today is not only morally bankrupt on that issues but economically also it is affecting large section of people. I'm just comparing because what is situation at present. This situation could be improved by prudent management. What is required is a fiscal discipline which is not happening. And then we talk about sports policy. I had sittings with our, when I was the chairman of the budget committee with the sports department. Mr. Patnekar was there. The sports policy is gathering dust for last 3 years. We asked 3 things, not one. 3 things where it doesn't cost money. What was the first thing? First thing was mark boys on duty or mark them present when they do nationals or when they go for the camp. Give them a chance to appear for additional exam when they go out. Third was some percentage of marks which doesn't cost anything. I know for running sport department you require huge money. Ajun, आजच्या दिसापासून बजेट कमिटीन सांगल्या पासून सुद्धा अजून ऑर्डर गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी एका हायर सेकंडरी बोर्डाक पावना. Administrative order. How much time it takes?